He's only a year old and has never experienced drought like this. An 80-kilometer walk is not only a test of endurance. In the equatorial sun, it's brutal. The whole herd are thirsty. They look to the matriarch for guidance. But she is also waiting for a sign. While El Niño bakes the continent south, it leads to greater moisture building over Africa's northeast. A storm is brewing. Lightning bolts blast the atmosphere. The air expands, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, creating a shockwave. Low-frequency rumbles travel through the earth. The matriarch presses her feet into the ground. She can feel acoustic vibrations through sensitive pads in her feet. They travel up her legs and into her inner ear. She can hear the rumble through her feet. A seismic message from over 200 kilometers away. The storm and water are that way. The weather they so desperately need is coming from the north.